This is a structured discussion. Take focused history, examination and investigation, treatment. Start your case. दोबारा रिपीट करो.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मैम हो गया.
ठीक, स्टार्ट.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Sania, one of the exam candidate. I have read the scenario. I'm ready for the structured discussion. First of all, I will do the mutual introduction, then confirm the biodata of my patient, and then take the missing information, which include her education, occupation. She is married for her last child born, and any antenatal, intrapartum, postpartum complication. Then I will ask about her that she has delivered 1 week back, about the lochia, and she has presented with the lower abdominal pain. And then I will ask about the onset, duration, and its severity, and radiation, its progression, any aggravating and relieving factors, and ask about that pus, the second complaint is the pus, and I will ask about the amount and the false smelling and color, which is and whether it is blood stained or not. Then I will ask about the last visit to the doctor, any medication taken, or any investigation done so far. Then I will ask about her menstrual cycle, its regularity, any intermenstrual postcoital bleeding, and a history of pap smear, and any contraceptive method she is using. And then about the past medical history in her or in her family, which include her blood pressure, sugar, any history of asthma, TB, any history of renal disorder, cardiac disorder, liver disorder, and thyroid, or any history of cancer, any past surgical history, and about her appetite, and support from the family, socioeconomic status. Then I will ask about any drug allergy. Ma'am, after the history, I will do the examination of my patient. Ma'am, history points. इसके अलावा
कंटिन्यू करें, मैं बताती हूँ. आपका टाइम ही है, आप इसमें अपना केस कंप्लीट करें.
Okay, ma'am. Then I will do the examination of my patient. I will check her BMI by calculating her height and weight. Then check her vitals, BP, pulse, temperature, respiration. Check for the pallor and the jointers, and check for the thyroid, and do the breast and chest examination and cardiovascular examination as per routine. And then I will do the abdominal examination to check for pain and tenderness, any abdominal mass, and check for the leg swelling and also the varicose veins. And then do the local examination, in which I will check the general health of the vulva, vagina, and check for the discharge and the blood, and do the sterile speculum examination to check the general health of the cervix and the vaginal wall. And also if the and for the and as she has presented with pussy discharge, and I will take the high vaginal swab and do the bimanual examination to check the uterine size, its mobility, tenderness, its position, and any fornical fullness. मैम कंटिन्यू करूँ इन्वेस्टिगेशन से भी?
जी.
Then I will do the investigation of my patient. First of all, I will do the baseline investigation, which include the complete blood count with date, in which I will check the hemoglobin level, total leukocyte count, platelet count, blood group with Rh factor, and serum virology, which include the hepatitis B surface antigen, anti-HCV, anti-HIV, random blood sugar, and midstream urine analysis, in which I will check the pus protein and sugar. Then I will do the specific investigation, which include the pelvic ultrasound, in which I will check the uterine size, its endometrial thickness, myometrial echogenicity, any adnexal pathology. Then I will also do the C-reactive protein, and also then I will also send for the culture, and I will check the culture and sensitivity report of the pussy discharge. Ma'am, then I will go for the management of my patient.
How will you manage?
I will approach my patient and tell the diagnosis that she is most probably has the pussy discharge and the fever.
चाइल्ड बर्थ, पोस्ट एबॉर्शन और पोस्टपार्टम, ठीक है, प्रेगनेंसी काउंट, इन दोनों में से मतलब इन चारों में से कोई दो कंडीशंस ऐसी हों तो आप उसे कहेंगे सिस्टेमिक इन्फ्लेमेटरी रिस्पांस सिंड्रोम. टेम्परेचर हो या रेस्पिरेटरी रेट हो या हार्ट रेट और WBC काउंट दिया हो, कोई से भी दो दिया तो वो सिस्टेमिक इन्फ्लेमेटरी रिस्पांस सिंड्रोम है. इसके साथ ही जब आप उसे डॉक्यूमेंट कर लेते हैं या हाईली सस्पेक्टेड होता है तब वो सेप्सिस बनता है, ठीक है ना. तो इसीलिए हम उसे पायरेक्सिया कह रहे हैं, क्योंकि अभी तक ना तो वो डॉक्यूमेंट हुआ है और ना ही हाईली सस्पेक्टेड है. एक से हाई ग्रेड फीवर 38 पे मैं किसी को हाईली सस्पेक्ट तो नहीं कर लूंगी ना, ठीक है ना. इसलिए उसको आप पायरेक्सिया कह रहे हैं. आपसे अगर एग्जामिनर पूछे तो आपके पास उसका वो होना चाहिए, ग्रुप बी बीटा हेमोलिटिक स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस 20.6% है। अब आप कही थे ग्रुप ए बीटा हेमोलिटिक स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस गैस, ठीक है, ये 4.3% है। 10 आउट ऑफ 12 women were postpartum, ठीक है, ये पोस्टपार्टम विद इन 12 आवर, ये गाइडलाइन में लिखा है लेस देन 12 आवर पोस्टपार्टम द मोस्ट कॉमन ऑर्गेनिज्म इज द ग्रुप ए स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस, ये गाइडलाइन में लिखा है, ठीक है। अच्छा, रिस्क फैक्टर्स, ओबेसिटी, डायबिटीज, एनीमिया, maternal age more than 35, impaired immunity, women of ethnic minority,